What's good and welcome back to the channel. My name is Peniel, and in this episode we'll be diving into an exciting topic: how to make money as a young software developer. Alright, let's kick things off with the hustle of work gigs and freelancing. So if you're not familiar with the concept of freelancing, it basically translates to you offering your skill to a client or company on project basis. Believe it or not, this is the fastest and easiest way to make an income as a young software developer. You have to do it. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are the most common in this field. You can easily get started by using Google accounts or providing your email and password, and then some few more details. After that, after registration, you would also have to upload your CV, like any other company. And from there you be given a list of sites where you can actually browse and then find the one that most suits your skill. Building your own project is easy, but not as easy as I just said. You'll be surprised at the tool that people actually purchase. So basically, don't overthink it. Find some repetitive task you encounter every day in your life and you wish there's a tool to easily do that, or software to do that, and build it. Once you have a working product, you can now think about a revenue scheme and then sell it to customers, either putting your project into a SaaS base or selling your software upfront. Yes, you can do that, and you are going to get buyers because this is a tool of necessity. It's a tool that is needed. Despite it's a niche based or a software related base, it's still needed by those set of people. And once you start knocking down the doors of those people, the more money you get. So believe it or not, you can walk into almost any software development company looking nice with a complementing portfolio or CV and request for a voluntary internship. Reasons you would, for various reasons. One, to get a working experience, and two, to showcase your skill and work ethics to potential employers. You understand? Yeah. Next on the list is to pray for any form of incentive, because sometimes you have to be bold, you have to be bold. It's not easy, up and down, in and go. Charlie, you be who is if you go tired. Yeah.
Is that how I go? I don't remember that shit.
So if you did find this video interesting, you can hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notification to receive a notification when I release a new video. Have a good day. Peace.